Have you ever noticed how some people seem to glow from within? There's a certain radiance that feels almost effortless, as if they've just stepped out of a gentle sunrise. Their skin looks fresh, their features are soft, and there's a quiet confidence that draws you in. They look so fresh, so radiant, and so effortlessly beautiful. It's not about layers of makeup or dramatic transformations. It's about enhancing what's already there, letting your natural beauty take center stage. This is the magic of the no makeup look, a style that celebrates your real skin and unique features. It's about feeling comfortable in your own skin and letting your individuality shine through. In a world of filters and heavy contouring, showing off your natural beauty is a quiet revolution. It's a gentle rebellion against unrealistic standards and a way to reclaim your own narrative. The no makeup look is about confidence, authenticity, and self-care. It's about taking time for yourself, nourishing your skin, and embracing your true self, flaws and all. It's not about hiding imperfections, but nurturing your skin and embracing what makes you, you. Every freckle, every line, every bit of texture tells your story. This trend is more than a fad. It's a lifestyle focused on skin health and mindful beauty. It encourages us to slow down, listen to our skin, and treat it with kindness. The effortless look gives us permission to be real, freckles, texture, and all. It's about celebrating what makes us unique instead of covering it up. It saves time and helps build a healthier relationship with our reflection. You start to appreciate your own face, just as it is, and that's a powerful feeling. Anyone can achieve this look, regardless of skin type or age. It's truly universal. Everyone deserves to feel beautiful in their own skin. When you focus on a healthy canvas, you'll find you need less to feel beautiful. The real secret is that beauty starts with self-acceptance and care. It's all about discovering the little secrets that let your inner light shine and realizing that the most beautiful version of you is the one that's truly, authentically yourself. So, what is the no makeup look? It's the art of using makeup so subtly, it looks like you're not wearing any. The goal? Naturally flawless, radiant skin with minimal products. It's about enhancing, not transforming your features. The philosophy is skin first, makeup second, starting with a glowing, hydrated base. Sheer textures, creamy formulas, and a light hand are key. Swap heavy foundation for a tinted moisturizer, and bold lines for soft, blended touches. The result? Dewy, fresh skin that looks like you woke up glowing. It's about evening out, adding a hint of color, and grooming brows for a polished, effortless finish. The no makeup look proves less is more. Just the right products, applied with care. The secret to an effortless no makeup look starts with daily skincare. It's not just about looking good, but feeling good in your own skin. Cleanse morning and night to remove dirt and keep your skin fresh. This simple step is crucial for maintaining a clear complexion. A clean canvas lets your skin breathe and helps products work better. When your skin is clean, it can absorb nutrients more effectively. Moisturize to keep skin plump, smooth, and radiant. Hydration is key for that dewy look. Don't forget to choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Even oily skin needs moisture. Just pick a lightweight formula. This helps balance your skin's natural oils without clogging pores. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. Wear SPF 30+ every day to protect and preserve your skin. It shields you from harmful UV rays that cause premature aging. UV rays can damage skin even indoors, so make sunscreen a habit. Consistent use of sunscreen can prevent sunspots and skin cancer. What you eat matters too. A diet rich in fruits, veggies, and healthy fats gives your skin the nutrients it needs. Your diet directly impacts your skin's health and appearance. Foods like berries, greens, and avocados are skin superstars. These foods are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that nourish your skin. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin cells healthy and glowing. Hydration from within is just as important as external skincare. Healthy habits inside and out are the foundation for natural beauty. Embrace these daily routines to achieve and maintain radiant skin. Building a simple at-home skincare routine is a daily act of self-care. Start your morning with a gentle cleanse and a hydrating serum, then lock in moisture with a suitable moisturizer. Always finish with sunscreen to protect your skin all day. At night, double cleanse to remove makeup and impurities, then apply a targeted serum for repair. Once or twice a week, exfoliate gently and treat your skin to a nourishing mask. Don't forget delicate areas. Use eye cream and a lip scrub followed by balm. These small, consistent steps create a sanctuary for your skin. Over time, your skin becomes healthier, stronger, and naturally radiant. A little daily care goes a long way toward effortless beauty. When your skin is healthy and glowing, you'll find that you need only the lightest touch of makeup to enhance your natural features. Minimalist makeup is all about letting your real skin shine through, so you can feel confident and beautiful in your own skin. Begin with a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream for sheer, natural coverage that evens out your complexion without hiding your skin's natural radiance. This step keeps your look fresh and dewy, never heavy or cakey. Next, use a creamy concealer only where you need it, like under your eyes to brighten dark circles, or on any blemishes. Blend it in well for an invisible, seamless finish that looks like real skin. Add a touch of cream blush to the apples of your cheeks and blend it out for a natural, sun-kissed flush. This gives your face a healthy, lively glow and brings warmth to your complexion. For your brows, simply brush them up with a clear or tinted gel to give them shape and fullness. Well-groomed brows frame your face and keep your look polished, yet effortless. Curl your lashes to open up your eyes and make them appear more awake. If you want a little extra definition, add a light coat of mascara for a soft, fluttery effect. Avoid heavy powders and bold lines. Keep everything soft, blended, and natural. The goal is to enhance, not cover up. The result is a polished, fresh look that highlights your best features and lets your true beauty shine through. Minimalist makeup is about enhancing, not masking. It's about feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin, every single day. With this approach, you'll look awake, vibrant, and authentically you, never overdone. Remember, less really is more when your skin is the star of the show. Let your natural radiance take center stage. Embrace the beauty of simplicity and celebrate the confidence that comes from letting your true self shine. That lit from within glow comes from smart skincare and lifestyle choices. Exfoliate once or twice a week to reveal fresh, bright skin and boost radiance. Hydration is essential. Use serums, moisturizers, and facial mists for dewy skin. A hydrating face mask before special events gives an instant glow. For extra luminosity, tap a subtle cream highlighter on cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow. Choose formulas that mimic healthy skin, not glitter. Facial massage boosts circulation, giving you a rosy, firm complexion. Just a minute of gentle massage can make a visible difference. These habits help your skin look naturally radiant every day. There's real power in feeling comfortable and beautiful in your own skin. As you focus on skincare over makeup, your confidence grows with every healthy change. You start to appreciate your unique features, freckles, texture, and all. Embracing your natural skin is self-love and a declaration that you are enough. Authenticity is magnetic. Confidence comes from accepting your imperfections. Healthy skin gives you the freedom to choose makeup for fun, not necessity. The no makeup look is a mindset, prioritizing well-being and celebrating simplicity. Your worth isn't defined by flawless makeup, but by your inner light. Start small, be patient, and celebrate every improvement. The goal is health and happiness, not perfection. The most beautiful you is happy, healthy, and confident in your own skin.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.